Jet 324, Fort Worth Center 12475.
2475, Jet 324, good day.
Southwest 5722 heavy on right, heading 130, approaching 7,000 feet.
Silcoast 5722 heavy, climb maintain 17,000, fly heading 200.
Heading 200 and stand by for the altitude, Southwest 5722.
5722 heavy, climb maintain 17,000.
Climb to 17,000, Southwest 5722. And just to confirm, Southwest 5722 heavy, we climb 17,000 feet on heading 130.
I'm sorry, say again?
Southwest, Alpha Zulu Golf, Southwest 5722, confirm, on heading 130 we climb 17,000.
Suncoast 5722 heavy, turn right, right turn now, 230, maintain 17,000.
We are at 7,000 feet and we do heading 230, confirm we are ready.
Suncoast 5722, fly heading 230, climb and maintain 17,000.
We climb 17,000 feet on heading 230, Southwest 5722.
Affirmative. November 28 November Papa. Fort Worth Center 132.02.
32028 November Papa.
American 402. Fly heading 020. Maintain 10,000. Vectors for traffic.
020 will maintain 10,000, American 402, thanks.
Radar Silcoast 5722, and we are short of fuel. We need to go to runway 26 right as soon as possible, please.
So which runway?
Houston, Kilo 26 right at Kilo India Alpha Hotel, as preview told us.
I will get you to India Alpha Hotel as soon as possible. Stand by.
Really, Silcoast 5722, we are running out of fuel, please.
Suncoast 5222, how much, are you needing emergency? You go to DFW and land now, or what do you need? Say intention.
We need to land as soon as possible, runway 26 right. We are short of fuel now. We called Pampan 3 times.
Okay, sir, you are not even near Houston right now, sir. If you want to get to Houston, how much fuel do you have, sir? Because you're several hundred miles out.
We are only 6 tons, 6 tons.
You don't have enough fuel, sir, to get to Houston. I have one. Do you want to divert to DFW, sir?
Yes, we want to go to Houston. We are able to Houston now, but the shortcut, please.
Okay. Okay. Suncoast 522 heavy. Verify 6,000 pounds of fuel.
Hey, sir, 6,000.
Suncoast 5722 heavy. Roger, we're declaring emergency for you at this time, sir. Maintain 1,000. Fly heading 270.
1,000 and heading 270, Southwest 5722 heading.
Ruti or Zappo, please.
Suncoast 5722 heavy. You are now being diverted to DFW via an emergency. Suncoast 5722 heavy. Expect DFW. Fly heading 360.
Heading 360 and confirm now we have to go to Dallas Fort Worth.
Affirmative. Suncoast 522 heavy. Clear to DFW via radar vectors. Fly heading 360. Descend and maintain 10,000.
Descend to maintain 10,000 on heading 360 and prepare for Dallas Fort Worth. This is 57.
American 402. Turn right direct Jacks. Climb and maintain 17,000.
Right direct Jacks, 17,000, American 402.
Blue Street 5479. Contact Fort Worth Center 132.02.
3202, great job today.
American 402. Contact Fort Worth Center 132.02.
3202, American 402.
Suncoast 5222 heavy. Expect runway. Stand by for your runway at DFW. Current ATIS at DFW. Stand by for. Suncoast 5222, it will be 18 right at DFW. The current ATIS is Yankee. Wind 190 at 6. Bearing 5 and 5. Altimeter 2993.
2993 for Turquoise 5722 Heavy and runway 18 right.
Frankos 572 Heavy, affirmative, 18 right. Verify souls on board.
6 souls aboard for Turquoise 5722 Heavy.
5722 Heavy, roger. Descend and maintain 8,000.
Descend and maintain 8,000, Turquoise 5722 Heavy.
Southwest 3102, contact Fort Worth Center 132.02.
3202, Southwest 3102.
Suncoast 5722 Heavy, contact approach on 11842, 118.42. Silkwest 5722 Heavy, contact approach 118.42.
11842, Silkwest 5722 Heavy.